Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Killer Bean notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Killer Bean and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on Killer Bean notifications, enable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Killer Bean notifications. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.